Hello, today I'm going to begin a 5-part series about creating bell ringers using question banks in Canvas. And the place that I wanted to start was where to find the questions. And as I start looking at where to find questions, they're all the obvious sources or resources. But the third one I want to talk about a little bit because I think I can maybe show you something that might help speed that process up a little bit. So the first two, obviously, as a resource for finding questions, you can use your knowledge of the subject matter. And you can also use whatever curriculum you have. We have a pretty good curriculum. It's got a lot of questions in it. That is a great resource for question banks that you could build. And then the third one, and again, another one that hopefully everybody knows, is using the internet. Googling the standard, Google the I can statement, or just enter some keywords of what you're looking for. Okay. One piece of advice that I would give is once you've entered the words or the statement or the standard, enter the word worksheet after that. That will help you narrow the search, and it will show more worksheet-based items and not just lesson plans and things like that. And if you're looking for questions, worksheets are a great resource. And then once you use the worksheet item and you see that there are worksheets coming up, if you click over to the image option, that will allow you to see the worksheets. So let me show you what that looks like. So here I am at Google, and I'm going to click in the search bar, and I'm just going to start typing in unit rate worksheet 7th grade. You can see I've searched this before. So I'm going to click on that. It gives me a lot of results. From here, I can go right here where it says images for unit rate worksheet, or I can click up here, same difference, and it just brings up tons of resources. So real quickly, if I click on one, or do a quick double click there, it brings up the worksheet, and from here I can see most of the questions. If you're looking at a smaller screen, you might want to go to View Image. Don't go to View Page, because many times it's just a smaller image on the page. But if you go to View Image, you can see it at a pretty good size, and always, if you need to, hitting Control Plus will zoom in, make it a little larger for you. So this is a great resource where you can see questions, types of questions, maybe give you some ideas for types of questions if you don't want to use their specific example. Once I've viewed this, to move on to the next one, I can just click out of that tab because it opened it in a new tab automatically. Go over here, click on the next one, and view that image. Okay. Again, I can quickly look at this one, zoom in again if I need to, using Control Plus. If I need to go back, Control Minus takes me back to a regular or a smaller size. When I've gotten the questions I need out of that, I can move on then to the next one. And there I have a third example. So that takes you through a quick tutorial of where to find some great questions for use in a question bank.